Georgia, northern Polk County in northwestern Georgia, southwestern Chattanooga County in northwestern Georgia, southern Barlow County in northwestern Georgia until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:57 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Duluth to Chattoogaville, moving southeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Atlanta, Marietta, Rome, Lawrenceville, Cartersville, Dallas, Cedartown, Peachtree Corners, Mountain Park, Sandy Springs, Roswell, Johns Creek, Alpharetta, Smyrna, Dunwoody, Milton, Kennesaw, Duluth, Woodstock, and Ackworth. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed and then call the National